But you can also travel with the metro. Metro is great.
Okay.
It's clean, air conditioned, faster than the cars most of the times.
Are there trams in addition to metro? Or
Yes, there are trams, there are buses, there are trains inside the city.
okay.
Very good public transport, very good. Anywhere you are in metro, any neighborhood you are in Barcelona, in 2 minutes you're in the metro. Like 5 minutes, I say maximum. You
Okay.
arrive to the metro.
Okay. Well, then we'll have to.
It's like 1,000 lines, all the look another man, like and all the colors in the world crossing.
So if you have a metro app, which we actually do, will they help route you if you tell them where you want to go?
Yes, it does. But you know, having the Barcelona Metro map, it's very easy. I mean, you know where you want to go, and you see the green line goes there, and then intersects with the blue line. That like,
Yeah.
It makes a lot of. It's very intuitive,
Yeah.
Okay.
and there's no. It goes anywhere. And if you go to the metro, if you buy tickets, buy 10 tickets. It costs 10 euros because it's €1 one journey. If you buy one ticket, it's €2.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it's double the price, no?
Okay. Yeah.
So actually, when you buy one of 10 journeys, you go and come back, both of you. So you spend €4
And where can you buy tickets?
in the metro. You go down on the stairs
Yeah.
and put the credit card. Buy one ticket of 10 journeys. It says that's 10, T10,
Okay.
and that's it. You're set. And with the same ticket, you can take the metro, go off the metro, take the bus, get off the bus, take the tram, get off the tram, take the whatever.
all with the same ticket?
Same ticket, same.
Okay.
You don't put. I mean, you put it, but it doesn't charge you.
Yeah,
know?
yeah,
You have
yeah.
time 1 hour and a half or something like this.
Okay.
Even rich people.
And
take
you
the
put it
metro.
in when you get on?
Yeah, you know, you cannot pass. There's a.
Right. I mean, because some cities you
No.
you
This
put
you
it
cannot
on
pass.
like when you
need to,
get off.
You need to pass, so it opens the door.
I
Okay.
can't remember.
And so what about in a bus? Do you put it in a
Same. When you
Same
enter,
thing when you
there's
get
a thingy there.
and then you get it back?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
enters and
it's
comes
like-
out.
it's like
it
a-
prints some things on it.
like
Like,
that, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the mechanics because we were a little slow in Prague to figure out how it worked,
Well-
and we were slow in Amsterdam, and I'm trying to get a head start this time.
And it's in the beginning,
and
yeah,
like
it's
I
weird
said,
because you
it's-
don't know which side, left or right. It's like
Yeah.
this or like this or like this.
Yeah.
Or like this.
And the tickets work differently in different
Yeah,
cities.
sure.
And
No, you see, it's very, very easy here. I mean, this is the easiest possible. I also traveled a lot, and in other places it's more complicated. Here it's very good.
okay, well that's very good.
I like to travel a lot with the bus. Yeah, it's slow, but you get to see all the, you know, like.
Yeah.
So what model Mercedes-Benz is this?
This is E-Class 350.
Okay. Well, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, it's very comfortable. Actually, it's more comfortable than the newer models, which they're gonna change because by law they have to change my car this year. They get the newer one, and I want this one because this one has bigger engine, 350. The seats are like, you know, like.
It's very nice.
The newer seats are more hard, more sporty, more. They're not so comfortable.
And how old is this car?
It's from 2014, I think, like 4 years. But this means a lot already for like a car that works all the time. No, the car is perfect.
Yeah, I was going to say, it sure does not look like a worn out. I mean,
No, it's perfect.
It seems perfect.
But in this, you know, our company gets only the majesties, the highness, the Hollywood stars, the prince, the sheikhs, the Arabs, the oligarchs. Because this is like the main company, the oldest in Barcelona, no? So when George Clooney comes, he goes with us. When Beyonce comes, she goes with us.
Wow.
So it needs to have the newer models.
Well,
But imagine, this car has 450,000 kilometers.
Really?
450,000
That
kilometers?
means like 350,000 miles, something.
Wow.
But
Oh,
it's a
That's
service Mercedes, no? It goes all the time.
Yeah.
This car can do a million miles. You know, there are cars like this, older, that did a million miles.
Oh my gosh. That's unbelievable.
That is astounding.
But this Mercedes service, yeah, you take them every week. They
Yeah,
change everything.
yeah.
They pay a lot. The boss of the company pays. They don't fix them in some workshop, in some
Right.
service. No, they pay whatever it costs. They get warranty. They get...
Well, yeah, this is really one of the most comfortable car rides we've had in a while. This is really nice.
Yeah. And it's the E-Class is what I want, because there's also S-Class, which is like a bit more comfortable because you can adjust your seat in the back, stuff like this. But it's there's no place for the luggage,
Oh.
and it's very big. The car, it's huge. It's like much bigger than this.
Wow, so it's a bigger car, but with less luggage.
Yes,
luggage.
because you have more place in the back. You can adjust the seat. You can put it almost lie down. No, so
Yeah.
they keep the trunk space.
Yeah, it sounds like an E-Class is more suited to the job that this car would be doing.
Exactly. You see Tibidabo, the church there, like between that
Oh,
black
yeah.
building and like you can see it
That's
there.
Tibidabo?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
a very
wow.
nice church, very nice view. It has
Yeah, I
a
wanna
train
go
that
up
goes
there.
up the mountain, no ferrocarril. I mean, it's a nice place. If you are bored, tired of the city, and wanna like have a nice
Yeah.
ride, you would lose in total like 4 hours. Going there 1 hour, staying there 2. But it's a great zone. Make some pictures, get a coffee there. There's see the church. You are living right next to a very big mall.
Okay.
One of the biggest in Barcelona. Huge mall. Huge. I don't know, 50 restaurants inside.
No, wow.
What would you say are some real Catalan restaurants near our hotel?
I don't know. I'm here for 12 years. Catalan food is very limited. There's not so much.
Okay, well then let me broaden it out. What is a good restaurant near our hotel?
I always find new restaurants, and I don't really know how to recommend new restaurant because I am very weird. I eat vegan, I eat alkaline, I eat ecologic, I eat one day in the Thai, one day in the Indian, one day I don't know. And especially in this neighborhood, which is not my zone, it's not where I live. But I encourage you to find, and I encourage you not to ask the reception because they're going to
We
recommend
usually ask local people.
Yeah, the reception will recommend you a place where they get the commission from.
Yeah.
And it's something expensive, and it's like So what I do myself, which I recommend you, is find your own. Like go around the streets, it's full, it's packed with restaurants. Avoid touristical zones where are like a lot of tourists because the food is never bad.
Well, we're right. I mean, that's why the whole thrust of my question was to avoid a touristy restaurant like on La Rambla or Las Ramblas.
For sure you don't want to eat there.
Yeah.
But if from La Rambla, you go inside, you get lost in the Gothic zone, and you find something special that you like, that you see people enjoy, and something that appetizes you, because there's so many things, so it's unlimited, and all of them are good. You don't find bad food, The prices are decent. I eat, for example, in the vegan Indian restaurant, like Shiva, with my wife.
So you try a wide variety.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Well, that's
I try
great.
everything all the time. I go to a different place.